about helping us. This isn't about people who didn't take the right precautions. To leap from known historical records and then just top it by 2.5 metres is incredible. Now that led to a terrible emergency.
In dire straits here, can't get onto the roof. Thinking it's starting to swim to the neighbours. Not sure what to do from this point.
I was so worried for my family, and you're so worried for all the people around you, and you're just not sure how or what you can do to help. I start thinking maybe this is it, to hear people screaming and yelling and caravans walking around and pouring out from under your house. Massive amounts of panic. So it's pretty dramatic all around
really. Every house, I had neighbours on the roof. I had a boat, so I just worked endlessly and I took them to safety. As all that happened, my own house was being engulfed by water. I didn't even think about it. I couldn't. It didn't even enter my head till the next evening, really. Anything to do with property, we were just saving people.
I think emergency services, I'm guessing they were doing as best as they can. I'm not really critical on them. It's just the sheer scale of it. I don't think they knew how to handle that at that level.
There's anger about the complete just non-comprehension of the scale of what's actually gone on and a delayed response.
It just doesn't make any sense. It's almost like they just wanted to ignore it.
The water is rising. No more compromising.
When the Prime Minister came, he kept himself separate from the people of Lismore with a cordon of police. You know, you don't really expect the Prime Minister to clean out an entire house, but, you know, just no capacity to really trust the local people and listen to their voice is outrageous.
Just all destroyed, power goes out. Sadly, the microphone can't pick up the smell.
I absolutely understand the frustration. I understand the anger. I understand the disappointment. I understand the sense of abandonment. So what do we do about that? We restore. We support, we fund, making sure that we can get that emergency financial assistance into people's pockets, which was done within a week.
As for Scott, it was good to see him do what he did, but it needs to be easier just to access the government services. It's just so complicated. Like, it should be a little bit easier to do.
Australia is becoming a harder country to live in because of these natural disasters.
Here in Lismore today, we are in that climate catastrophe future, and the cost of not admitting it isn't just political. The cost of not admitting it is communities that aren't prepared, communities that are in shock and devastation on this scale.